Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 27th May 2025. Auditors have raised concerns about the financial health and practices of Oppo and Realme's India units, citing bookkeeping issues, incomplete records, and negative net worth for Oppo. These issues arise amidst ongoing regulatory scrutiny and investigations into Chinese smartphone brands for alleged financial irregularities. National Financial Reporting Authority or NFRA has received a complaint against IndusInd Bank. The complaint is about accounting issues in forex derivative portfolio. Reserve Bank of India is providing inputs to NFRA. Securities and Exchange Board of India and Institute of Chartered Accountants of India are also reviewing the bank's books. IndusInd Bank reported losses due to these discrepancies. The Reserve Bank of India has instructed finance companies to exclude default loss guarantees or DLGs from fintech firms when provisioning for stressed loans, impacting digital lending service providers. NBFCs must now make full provisions on these loans, diminishing their appeal for new business. Citycart, one of India's fastest growing value fashion retailers, has raised Rs 538 crore in a Series B funding round, marking one of the largest investments in the country's budget apparel segment to date. The round was co-led by TPG Newquest, the Asia-focused secondary private equity arm of TPG, and A91 Partners, a domestic growth stage investment firm. The Reserve Bank of India is seeking government approval to allow domestic banks to lend rupees to overseas borrowers, initially focusing on neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. This initiative aims to promote the rupee's use in international trade, reduce reliance on currency swap arrangements, and facilitate easier trade settlements while mitigating foreign exchange volatility. Airbus and Tata Advanced Systems will establish an H-125 helicopter final assembly line in Kolar, Karnataka, marking India's first private helicopter assembly facility. This initiative supports the Make in India campaign, aiming for self-reliance in aerospace manufacturing. The plant will produce helicopters for India and neighboring countries with potential expansion to meet projected demand. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.